Morning. Today we are going to do this page. Say the name of the picture and write the short E vowel sound words. So the first picture is a jet. What is the beginning sound of jet? The beginning sound for jet is J, J, J. What is the medial sound? Eh. You write here E. J, T. What is the ending sound? T. Jet. You write here T. Jet. The next picture is 10. What is the beginning sound for 10? T. T. You will write here T. And the medial sound is E. 10. What is the ending sound? 10. The next picture is net. What is the beginning sound for net? What is the middle sound? You will write here E. T. Net. The next picture is hen. What is the beginning sound for hen? Hen. The next picture is bed. What is the beginning sound for bed? B. Bed. The next picture is pen. What is the beginning sound for pen? P. E. N. Pen. The next picture is men. Men. The next picture is web. What is the beginning sound for web? W. Web. Wet. Wet.